Hello everyone. Welcome to Rizat Graphics. Are you looking to create a vector art effect without using pen tool? Then you are at the right place. My name is Rizat and in this tutorial, you will learn to create a vector art effect in Photoshop without using pen tool. After watching this tutorial, you will be able to create your own editable vector art effect. And you will use it to reapply this effect on any new image less than a minute. So let's get started. You can download this image. The download link is in the description. First of all, open an image in Photoshop. Let's convert this image into smart object. Go to Filter, then Sharpen and select Unsharp Mask. Set the amount to 250%, radius to 6 pixels, and threshold to 15 levels. Let's preview this. Perfect. This effect will increase the sharpen of your image. Select your layer again, go to Filter, then Stylize and select Oil Paint. Now, set the stylization to 5. Cleanliness to 3.0. And scale to 0.1. Uncheck the lighting. Press OK. Now, let's go to Filter and open the Filter Gallery. Under the Artistic folder, select the Cutout filter. Change it to 8. 5 and 1. This will separate the skin tone, something like this. Click OK. Click this little icon to change the opacity. Set the opacity to 50%. Again, select your layer. Go to Filter, then Blur and choose Surface Blur Filter. This effect will smooth the skin. Just change the radius to 25 pixels. Threshold to 10, then click OK. Now, apply the Unsharp filter again. Change it to 80, 6 and 0. Then click OK. Let's duplicate the filter gallery effect. Hold the Alt key, click and drag the filter gallery effect. Now, this filter is duplicated. Finally, apply the Smart Sharpen filter. Change amount to 100%, radius to 1.5 pixels and reduce noise to 0%. Here is the final output. Let's create a color adjustment layer. First, change the layer name to Adjustment. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate it. Now, hold the Alt key between these layers and click it. It will create a clipping mask. Right-click the Smart filter and clear all filters like that. Finally, select the layer and go to Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Set radius to 6 to 8 pixels. Change blending mode from normal to color. Now, our vector art effect is ready. Let's change the image. Double-click the image layer. Go to File, then select Open. Now, press Ctrl+A to select all and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Go back to the Smart Object layer. Paste the image by pressing Ctrl+V. Now go to File and save it. Check the results. The final output is amazing. You can change any image if you want. I am very happy with the results. You can also use a black and white image. I hope you've learnt a lot from this tutorial. and that you can apply these skills to your own workflow. Thanks for watching, good luck, and I'll see you next time on Rizat Graphics.